how you can create your own app of question and answer based on Langchain and OpenAI. And I'll be explaining you a simple app where you just enter the website URL and type your question, and it will give you an answer of it. So let's deep dive into it. Okay. So over here, there are five steps that is there that we need to follow. First, there is a loader that loads the URL or a file or a database. Second step is to split the data of the loader so that it will be not like a very big data when we'll give it to the model. Then the storage, a vector storage, maybe any storage that you can use a vector, it depends on you. Then the retrieval, it splits the strange. Okay. After that, it generates your answer based on your prompt or query. Okay. For my example over here, I'll be taking these things. So first, I'll be asking the user to enter its website, uh, and after that, I will split those data using the recursive character text splitter. I will use FAI double S vector store, and for retrieval I will use retrieval QA, and to generate the answer I will use chat OpenAI. For this you need to install all the libraries that is there. Oh yeah. Once you done, then you need to import all the things that we needed. So as we discussed above, we need firstly a data loader, right? And we are loading it from website, right? So we need web-based loader. So from Langchain document loaders, you can import directly the web-based loader. Then the embedding. This embedding is used when we'll store the data into vector. After that, there is a text splitter to split the data. Then the storage, FAISS. Then the retrieval QA. Then chat OpenAI. Okay. Once it's done, then I created a simple functions to load these website based on the URL. I entered a URL over here, and based on that, it gives me the document of it. Once I have the document, then what I'm doing is splitting those data into small chunks. You can change this uh, size over here based on your need, and you can change the overlap. Overlap is like um, if you have a data up to 20 words, okay. So and in each chunk we are saving it only five. Let's assume it. Okay. So in a first chunk we'll have data from 1 to 5, and second chunk, if we overlap it, then it depends on how big the overlap we are taking into it. Let's assume we are taking only overlap of one word. So our first chunk will be 1 to 5, then second chunk will be uh, 5 to 9, and from 9 to 14 or 13, like that. If we increase the overlap, then this ranges will be different, right? Okay. Once you have the text editor and a document, then you can give your OpenAI key over here. I just removed it from now because I'm using it mine. Okay. And once you have it, then what you need to do, you need to create an object of your storage and give the document and embedding to it with an OpenAI key. If you save it OpenAI key in .env, then also it will work. So don't worry about it. Okay. Once you have the data as a vector, then what you need to do is just write your model name, then temperature. Temperature is the creativity. If you increase it to 1, then it will be more creative. Okay. And then give it to the chat OpenAI model, the model name, temperature, and OpenAI key. Once you do that and ask the question, okay, this is a query that we are giving it, and we are asking for a retrieval QA. Okay, we are giving the LLM model that is here, and the DB, the database that we are giving it, based on which it need to give me an answer. Okay, once it's done, then it will give me a result of it. So result is like this, and it's going pretty good answer to me. Like it's the same steps that are there in the website. Okay, so this is the whole thing on a QA. I hope you liked it. Thank you for visiting and looking into it. Thank you.